Hey, what is up, guys? This is Neil Ladores, and welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to unbox the Powerbeats Pro. And I will say this that I have been wanting to unbox this bad boy for a long time. Actually, I bought this one last March, and due to scheduling issues, now lang natin siya may unbox. So, if anything else, let's get started by looking at the box. You can see the presentation is actually very nice. All corners have presentation, all corners have writings on it, and some things matter and some things not. And if you're looking right now, you can see that the presentation of the box is actually really nice. Beats have a reputation of presenting their products really nice, including the Apple products, because as we all know, or not everyone might know, but Beats is already a sub product or sub company of the Apple. So let's start by taking off this plastic by cutting through the edge here. We will just peel it slowly para hindi natin ma-damage yung ating product inside. Then, okay, let's go. Let's sliding it out now. I think this is the fourth generation of the Powerbeats wireless lineup. Yung una yung Powerbeats, then it evolved into Powerbeats 2, and then naging Powerbeats 3, then Powerbeats Pro now. All of the three have wires, although they are connected via Bluetooth. The left and the right earpiece are connected via wires, so I don't really get the point. And I was really hoping for them to release a product that's totally wireless. And luckily for us, the product is here now. So here, oh god, the product, the casing, the box is really nice. It's well represented. It's well packaged. From the box itself, you will know that you made a premium purchase. At the top, there's a lid. There's where you can put uh, for storage purposes, and then some FCC labels at the side. And then let's see, try natin buksan dito. Oh, I don't think this is the portion where we take it off. So, saan ba natin siya bubuksan? Okay. Oh, I see. I think this is the place. This is the bottom part. The bottom part, I think the bottom part slides out for us to open, take off the plastic, to take off the product. So, we will just do this slowly para hindi natin ma-damage yung, I should cut it. I don't think we should cut it here. No, it's not made for cutting. So, let's see. Let's check. So here we go, guys. I think I finally realized na sa baba yung kanyang the bottom part, the product slides down. So it's really sticking, Sobrang lakas ng vacuum. It's really airtight, and the vacuum, there's no air coming inside. That's why it feels like it's fighting to get out. It's fighting to get out. It's like being in a tug of war. So there we are now able to, yan, then this is the box itself that's enclosed with the item or the product. So yeah, there, it's really nice. It's like a box of a watch. So there you go, guys. Wow, sobrang ganda. It's really ang angas, guys. Sobrang angas. Sobrang iba yung feeling. The first time of touching this, the first time of having this in my hands, it's really nice. It's really well built. Sobrang matte. It's premium. It's built. It's nice. I love it. Sobrang ganda. Nakaka-excite sa gamitin. And there, open natin siya. And you can see the two earpieces are sitting right on the item or the product or the charging case. So let's put them aside, and then we will check the items inside the box. We have a charger. It's a lightning cable charger. Tanggalin natin siya. Paano ba tanggalin without trying to destroy the packaging? Okay. Oh, kailangan siyang ipil ng konti. Let's try to put pressure on it. Okay. There you go. So there is the charger. The charger is, let's take it down to focus. Try natin focus there. The charger is lightning, and it's kind of color black, so I really like black. The good thing they put it in black. And then we have some spare earbuds and some paperwork. This is where we view fast fuel. 5 minutes charge is equal to 1.5 hours of play. Though that's really nice. So when you're running to the gym and you forgot it. So yeah, paperwork. We have the quick start up guide. Nice colorful quick start up guide. It's the black with the red Beats logo on top, on the middle. I'm sorry. So there you go. Pretty basic. It's really basic how you connect your headset to your phone or to your item. Then we have the Beats sticker and some safety and guidelines for proper handling of the product, of your headphones, of your Powerbeats, whatever you want to call them. And we have a warranty card. So here you go, warranty. Nothing much going on down there. That's it. That's everything. We don't have any power brick charger. So there you go. And here is the item. Let's open the item. Wow, sobrang nice. It's really nice having to see this kind of premium product. And if you're going to buy this, actually you can't go wrong with any product that you purchase with, as long as you're happy with the results, as long as you're happy with the product that they have delivered to you. So that is it for me today, guys. Hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you like, and we will be doing a review of this product shortly, so stay tuned and keep your eyes peeled for that. See you guys in the next video. Hey guys, so if you have watched this far, or if you have reached this far, then I'm happy to announce that we will be giving away one pair of AirPods to one lucky YouTube subscriber once we hit 1K subs. To join the giveaway, all you need to do is to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure to subscribe now. Now is the best time to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and like this video and comment down below on why you should win the brand new AirPods. Now I won't be giving these AirPods because this one's already used. I will be giving away, guys, one brand new guys, brand new. I will not give you used AirPods. I will be giving away brand new AirPods. So be sure to hit the subscribe button now, and I will pick one lucky subscriber from our pool of subscribers. So good luck, and I hope that we reach that 1K subs as early as we can, because this bad boy really can't wait to be given away, to be in your hands. So good luck, and I'll see you guys in the next video.